In the Philippines, 1 in 5 children already shows signs of developmental delay by 1 year old. But in climate vulnerable communities, children are even more at risk. Developmental disorders such as autism and ADHD are rapidly increasing worldwide, yet in the Philippines, 90% are still undiagnosed. This is because families are up against a broken system. And that is why community-based developmental monitoring is critical. So instead of relying on hospitals and specialists, we empower barangay health workers to bring developmental monitoring directly into communities. So we built Agap AI, or simply Agapay, an AI-powered developmental monitoring platform built by doctors for parents and community.
Once na na-enroll ng parents sa kanyang information, i-enroll din niya yung information ng kanyang kid. And then lalabas dito yung mga milestone months. Like for example, for 0 to 2 months, meron siyang mga domains ng milestone activities. So we have social, communication, cognitive, and physical.
With Agapay, we decentralize developmental monitoring from urban hospitals to frontline communities. Agapay is already available on Android and iOS. Our early traction strongly validates the need for accessible developmental monitoring. Our multidisciplinary team combines expertise in developmental medicine, AI, public health, and innovation. Together, we are building scalable and community-driven child health care for vulnerable populations. With Agapay, we move child developmental monitoring from hospitals to communities. Starting in the Philippines, we aim to help vulnerable children everywhere receive the future they deserve. Thank you very much.